Hello everyone, my name is Nick and welcome back to Getting Social with Nick. Now for today's video, I'm going to show you an Instagram hack that you do not know about. I'm going to show you how to put captions on your videos instantly. So I'm going to show you how simple it is to take your videos to the next level. All right, let's go. All right, now the first step that you're going to have to do is just download the Instagram app. If you don't have an account, that's strange, but make one. Now after that, you're gonna press the little plus sign, and then you could either do a story, you could add your video, but just to show you how easy this is, I'm gonna do this live. All right, so now that we got that video loaded up to your Instagram app, you're basically just gonna click on the little smiley face, and then the fourth option is captions. Now you're just gonna click it and let it do its thing, You're just gonna click it and let it transcribe the video itself, and then boom, you got subtitles. Now at the bottom, you can change what type of font is going on. You can move around, you could size it up. And now most of them are animated, but the final option, just pops it up. All right, and you could also change the color if you'd like. You can make it green, you can make it any color. It really doesn't matter. All right, and that is basically it. That is how simple it is to add subtitles to your video. Now you can either do it live or it's just as easy to upload the video itself. Now if you do have a longer video, it's gonna take a little bit longer, and you can edit the text if it does not get it right. But from all the examples that I've seen so far, it does a pretty fantastic job. All right, and that is basically it. That is how to add captions to your video instantly. All right, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, make sure to throw them in the comment section down below. If you like this video and you want to see more, make sure to like and subscribe. I appreciate you, and I'll see you next time. Peace.